Now, water resources in India. Okay. The most important use of fresh water in our country is to irrigate the farmlands. India gets plenty of rainfall from the monsoon, but it is not evenly distributed. Thus, some parts get flooded while other parts suffer from drought. To solve this problem, we need to divert water from the water surplus regions to water deficit regions. Since most of our river pass through a number of states, no state can single handle this problem of water management. To produce more food for our increasing population, we need adequate and timely supply of water. This can be done through irrigation. The different sources of irrigation are canals, wells, tube wells, and tanks. Now, what are they basically saying? How do we utilize this fresh water, especially in our country? So most of the fresh water in our country is basically used in the farmlands to irrigate them. Okay. Also, we need in India, we need a lot of water in order to irrigate the farmlands. Plus, we do have a lot of rainfall in India, but that is uneven. तो सिचुएशन क्या होता है, किसी एरिया में बहुत ज़्यादा रेनफॉल की वजह से फ्लड्स भी आ जाते हैं, एंड देन ऑल्सो द क्रॉप्स गेट्स डिस्ट्रॉयड, एंड इन सम एरियाज देर इज़ नो रेनफॉल, लाइक जितना रेनफॉल होना चाहिए फॉर एग्रीकल्चर, सो रेनफॉल इज़ नॉट according to that, so there comes drought, so वहाँ पे सूखा हो जाता है. So what we need to do is we need to have some kind of a systematic planning wherein we can use this extra water to the areas where there are deficient water, that means जहाँ पर पानी की कमी होती है. Okay, so one thing is that we have so many states from which single same river is passing, so it is important that we all have to work. So what we can do is we can make canals, we can make wells wherein we can store water. Okay, we can create tube wells and we can create different kinds of tanks. Okay, so that जो रेन वाटर है उसे हम कलेक्ट कर ले, एंड वेन एवर वी नीड वाटर फॉर इरीगेशन वी कैन यूज दैट. ओके, so if you will look at these pictures, you will see how they are actually bringing underground tanks where the water of rain can be stored and then utilized later on when the water is required. And check dams are made so that the availability of water, the speed of water, and everything can be regulated and checked as well. So proper planning is done in this way. Conservation of water resources. Now basically the ultimate solution is that we need to conserve water as well, because we know it is very limited. In view of the present shortage of water in many parts of the world, it has become necessary for us to conserve water and improve its quality. This can be done by adopting the following measures. Water is polluted by industries which discharge their waste products such as nitrate, metals, pesticides into water. This can be controlled by treating the impurities before releasing them into water bodies. Now, one factor from which we are adversely affected is, since we are a growing economy, so we have a lot of industries. Now, whatever is produced in the industries, बिकॉज जो फुल सिस्टम होता है वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट का, वो एक्सट्रीमली कॉस्टली होता है. सो स्मॉल स्केल जो इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट होते हैं और जो स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट होते हैं वो एक्चुअली मैनेजमेंट वेस्ट डिस्चार्ज सिस्टम नहीं लगाते. सो ड्यू टू दैट वो उनका जितना भी वेस्ट होता है दे जस्ट डायरेक्टली ड्रेन आउट, जो भी आसपास की वाटर बॉडीज़ होती है उसमें ड्रेन आउट कर देते हैं. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट सिंस इट इज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम इंडस्ट्री, सो इट कंप्राइज अ लॉट ऑफ नाइट्रेट, मेटल्स एंड पेस्टिसाइड्स. सो जो अब पानी वहाँ पर गया है उसको प्योरीफाई करना बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल हो जाता है, बिकॉज उसमें इतना ज़्यादा केमिकल कंटेंट है विच इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर ड्रिंकिंग. सो प्योरीफिकेशन बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट टास्क हो जाता है, एज वेल एज बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव टास्क हो जाता है, एंड इट इज़ नॉट ईजी टू remove nitrate and pesticides and chemicals from water. So what is the suggestion? The suggestion is that whenever these industries are actually throwing their waste, they should actually treat their waste. That means उनको अपना जो waste है उसमें से बिफोर वो वाटर बॉडीज़ में से रिलीज़ हो रहा है, उनको देर आर दीज होल मैनेजमेंट, वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, सो वो अपने वेस्ट को बेटर वे में ट्रीट कर सकते हैं, सो दैट इम्प्योरिटीज़ जो हैं बहुत ज़्यादा लेवल की जो डायरेक्टली चली जाती हैं पानी में, वो ना जाएं. Then the other very common method is rainwater harvesting is an important method to save surface runoff. During the rainy season, rainwater is collected and stored for use during dry periods. It is mostly practiced in arid and semi-arid areas. Sprinklers can be effectively used to so in rainwater harvesting, now remember, whenever we see rain in Delhi itself, so there are some days where we have extreme rainfall. Now imagine if every household is having rainwater harvesting system, so हम कितना ज़्यादा पानी सेव कर लेंगे. And we waste water for cleaning, for mopping, or you can say at least washing cars, utensils, so that water can then be utilized in a period when there is a shortage of water, or we cannot use tap water, तो हम tap water reduce कर देंगे and then we will use this stored water, which is the rain water. We all know rain water is the purest form of water, and since it is a very good water, so we can store it for a longer period of time, and then you can use it in other activities. The other thing is that instead of directly watering or directly using water for irrigation or for irrigating the fields, we can use sprinklers. So sprinklers actually cover a larger area, and वहाँ पर ड्यू टू दिस स्प्रिंकलिंग फैसिलिटी वो इफ़ेक्टिव होता है इरीगेशन में, कैन बी इफ़ेक्टिवली यूज टू इरीगेट द फील्ड यूजिंग लेस क्वांटिटी ऑफ वाटर यूज़ होकर एंड लार्जर एरिया कवर हो जाता है. ओके, more trees should be planted as trees reduce surface runoff and recharge groundwater storage as well. So growing more trees is actually part of afforestation only. Conservation of water resources is possible through planned utilization and protecting the available water resources from pollution. So how can we conserve resources? Firstly, you need to understand our general perception is अगर मैंने एक bucket extra यूज़ कर लिया तो क्या हो जाएगा. Now it starts from individual only. So if you are conserving 1 bucket of water, small little things we can take care of, not wasting water excessively, or when we are when we actually on our water motors, we need to take care that within 5 or whatever timing is there, 5 to 10 minutes हम उसे switch off कर दे, because most of the time people are careless, they switch on their motors and then they forget, and they are in their rooms using headphones watching TV, and due to that the whole water is getting drained out in drains only. So that is not good. So we used to it is our duty only that we need to protect our environment and our natural resources, so we should make sure that we are not overusing it and we are not polluting the water as well. Okay, so this chapter is completed. In the next class we will discuss with the question answers, so kindly go through the chapters, and if you have any doubt, do let me know. Thank you, class.